In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down to click on Privacy section here. Now choose Permission Manager and click on one of those options you wish to manage, like location. Then select one of your apps and click on one of those options to apply a perfect one for you. But you can also select See All Permissions here and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!